Your Mac's UC desktop client may include instant messaging and presence capabilities. Once the sync is complete, you will see all your configured chat contacts with present status, such as available or offline. You'll see an on-screen notification when one of your contacts sends you a message, and the message window opens on your computer. If you already have a chat window open but minimized, you'll be alerted, but the chat window must be maximized. You can start a conversation with any of your chat-enabled contacts by selecting the contact and pressing the Send Chat icon. In this window, you can send and receive messages, review your chat history, initiate a call, and uplift a chat directly into an ad hoc meeting when your service is configured for integrated meeting capabilities. Additionally, you can also start a chat by right-clicking on the contact and selecting Send Chat. If you receive a call from one of your authorized IM contacts but do not want to respond to it, you can choose to refuse the call but send a message to the contact explaining why you cannot talk to them at this time.